knows what letter this is? That's right, it's the letter A. And A is for Amazing Alligator Dance.
Yes, it is! Look, it's the letter A. A is for ant. Hooray!
Good morning, class. Are you ready to learn today?
Yes, we are!
A is for apple.
A. Look, everyone! It's the amazing letter A!
A says #ooh.
B is for bear. Can you say B?
Bouncy, bouncy, big blue bee! B is for bus, hooray for me! Ball. Ball.
What letter do we have today, class?
The letter B.
And the banana says...
Ba. Happy birthday! And look at that giant C. Can you say C?
The sound of the letter C is coo. Can everyone say coo?
Coo, coo, coo. Very good. Again. Coo, coo, coo.
Dance with the dinosaur. D, D, D. Great job, everyone!
Yay! Hooray for the dinosaur! Can you say D? D is for dog. D says do. D says do. D says do. Look, everyone, it's the letter E. Hooray!
E is for elephant. Look how the water sparkles around the big letter E.
Today we are learning about the letter E. The E says eh. And look, the giant eye just winked at the letter E.
A. Hooray! A. Hooray! Hooray! A, B, C, D, E.
Great job, everyone!
A, B, C, D. Come on, kids, let's all dance and play. A for apple, B for ball today.
All right, class, who can tell me what sound the letter A makes? What sound does the letter B make? B. What sound does the letter C make, class? Cat.
All right, class. What sound does the letter D make? Duh. What sound does the letter E make?
E! Yay! Woohoo! A says A, B says B, C says C. Can you sing the sounds with me? A for apple, B. Goodbye, have a great day.
See you next time!